Welcome to the video, guys. In this video we're going to be doing an exterior and interior detail on this 2005 Acura EL that we just bought used off of Craigslist for less than $1,000. The purpose of this cleanup today is going to be to just remove the previous owner's funk out of the vehicle. We're not by any means trying to achieve perfection here because this will be a daily driven vehicle. But as you can see, overall the exterior isn't too bad. There's just a light layer of dust and dirt. The nooks and crannies like your fuel door area and the jams, the door jams, trunk jams, those are the worst parts in terms of the exterior of the vehicle. The wheels are so badly corroded that they weren't worth saving, so I just decided to clean the loose brake dust off of them and avoided wheel acid so I don't make them worse. The interior of the vehicle, as you can see, it's pretty grungy. The previous owner clearly was eating inside the vehicle and had some spillages down the passenger side here. But in my opinion, the interior was a lot worse than even the video portrays because every nook and cranny had something sticky built up in it. I found some gum underneath the seats as well, and it was just overall not the nicest shape. The fuel door area and door jams had years and years of dirt built up, but Meguiar's super degreaser and a pressure washer were able to make quick work of these areas, as you'll be able to see here. Paintwork was in need of some serious decontamination, as you'll be able to hear. This paint felt as rough as it sounds, so what I decided to do here was use an Adams clay mitt with the car wash soap to completely decontaminate mechanically the whole entire vehicle from top to bottom. You could micromar the paint after using a clay mitt, so always check and polish if needed. The next step was to do a chemical decontamination using an iron remover. When using an iron remover to do a chemical decontamination, remember to never let it dry on the surface. As you can see, even after the wash and decontamination process, the exterior of the car is starting to look pretty good, but now we're going to move on to the interior and tackle that next. A soft boar's hair detail brush combined with a vacuum will do an excellent job of cleaning out all the nooks and crannies around your vehicle. Just a good vacuum alone will make a huge difference to the look of the inside of your vehicle. All interior carpet and fabric materials were cleaned with Chemical Guys lightning fast, diluted 20:1. This, combined with the drill brush and the Bissell extractor, made quick work of any stains or grime that was in these materials. That nasty orange stain on the passenger side floor area was no match for the Chemical Guys lightning fast, drill brush, and Bissell combination, as you'll be able to see here. The trunk liner is this super thin fabric material, so all I decided to do is a thorough vacuum, a quick brushing of the material to loosen up more dirt, vacuum again, and then just do the spray and agitate with the microfiber technique to get this area clean. The headliner was cleaned with Chemical Guys lightning fast and a microfiber towel, and then a few spots I had to agitate with a soft boar's hair brush. I was debating whether or not to use a steamer on the cup holders, but I think the boar's hair brush and Chemical Guys lightning fast was actually able to do a pretty decent job. The goal with the paint was just to enhance the clarity and gloss while removing some of the swirls. As you can see, the right side is swirled up and the left side's been polished. I decided to go with Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Polish and Wax and a yellow Lake Country polishing pad to do a quick one step on this vehicle, and I got results that I thought were pretty good with just one step. And always remember, when doing a one step like this, for the last few passes, increase your arm speed and let up on the pressure, and that will make sure you get a perfect finish. As you can see here, the headlights were pretty badly oxidized, so I decided to polish them out the same way I did the paint, and the results were pretty good. Even though the Hybrid Solutions Polish and Wax contains a protectant, I decided to use Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Wax, and these were the results after 24 hours. This paint was incredibly slick, guys. All of the interior vinyl and leather surfaces were cleaned with Chemical Guy's lightning fast 20-to-1, and I did this as an experiment to see if there's multiple other uses for it other than just a fabric and carpet stain extractor. All of the plastic and vinyl surfaces were then protected with Meguiar's Natural Shine Protectant. I conditioned the leather seats using Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Leather Mist. I like using this product because it doesn't leave this surface super shiny or slippery. To help make sure that the carpet materials stay cleaner for longer, I coated them with Scotch Guard Fabric Guard. Finally, I removed the cabin air filters and used the Turtle Wax Odor Bomb to release and remove previous owner's odors. I then replaced the cabin air filters with brand new ones to make sure that smell is not going to come back.